Today we have a PlayStation 5 motherboard here. This dropped off by a customer. Customer states that it fell from a dresser, so dresser height, which that's not a good height. I told him he could bring it in, have it looked at, but I was like, most likely it's probably cracked die packet. The die packet is right here on the APU. That's basically the brains of the device. So I already cleaned off the liquid metal right there, so it's nice and shiny, so we can take a look underneath the microscope. Looking at the die packet right now, we're on the left hand bottom corner. We can go upwards. So yeah, that corner looks fine. That corner looks fine. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's cracked. See a little chip on the side here? Usually, like, the light reflection will alter it sometimes. If you can't pick it up that good. See how the light's reflecting in different ways right there? The top right hand corner of the APU. And then it gets bright. You see that? Oh yeah, that thing's cracked, unfortunately. It's gonna be bad news for the customer, unfortunately. We'll zoom in on that as best I can. Yeah, look at that thing. It's cracked in multiple different areas. It's basically shattered. There's a little, see the corner right here? It's not even. So there's probably a nice little quarter chip out of the corner here. You guys can do that. See how it's all shattered? And then on the corner here of the APU, it's missing. Yeah, it's all shattered, unfortunately. Gonna have to tell this customer bad news. I would say that's kind of cooked. You can see all the cracks in the APU going all the way down to here. Looks like the crack even went all the way down. Yeah. Especially this corner right here. All the cracks. So yeah, unfortunately this is hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching.